thank you so much for clicking on the video, and I hope you had a wonderful spring break. I want to give you a quick recap of our last Faculty Council meeting at Lake Nona on March 8th from 2 to 5 p.m. We started out with our normal welcome hellos, see how everyone's doing, and then we started with what's going on. Please make sure that you sign up for your regalia information here by March 26th, right around the corner. There are presentations on where does the money go. Valencia Brainbow wins their 8th national championship. There are sustainability advisory town hall meetings, hopefully you can attend, bike riding events, professional development course, recognizing and supporting students in distress, VALIC sessions, spring job fair, don't forget to get your Valencia College app, and the counseling spring newsletter. I also posted my schedule for February in case you're wondering what type of meetings I attend or if you have any questions on any of these meetings. I put some agendas and information. If you have any questions on any of that, please don't hesitate to contact me. But you get an idea of all the stuff that's going on at Valencia. Then I want to emphasize again, if you haven't taken the Faculty Council Online Assessment Survey, please click here and take that survey. We'd love to hear your feedback. We have 33 respondents so far, but we'd like a lot more. Academic Integrity faculty, that work team put out a survey. They asked for feedback before spring break, and that team's doing some good work to find out what's going on as far as academic integrity at Valencia. I made a quick statement about part-time, annually appointed, tenure track, and tenure, just to let you know that there are discussions about each group to make sure we're serving them the best way we can. Karen Borglum included an update on civic literacy, which will be a requirement. And so here is some information about that on the 2 ways you can get that requirement filled, and they are working on a 3rd one. We did have a presentation a couple months ago for international students and how faculty can help. The presentation's here. We provided some feedback, and I'll work with that office to give some more feedback, but if you have any feedback at all, please don't hesitate to put that feedback here in ways that faculty can help international students. There was also a proposal just trying to get information on what faculty thoughts were. It wasn't an official vote or anything, but we got information from faculty about changing the final exam schedule, and we brought it to faculty, and the council put some feedback here. And again, it's just informational at this point, but at this point, faculty would like to leave the final exam schedule as is and not make any changes. Thank you so much for those who nominated themselves to be part of all these groups. We did get one person who's going to be running for the next vice president of Faculty Association, Stanton Reed. I sent that vote out. Then we have 2 people that were nominated for the college-wide ombuds representative. They'll be going through an interview process. And we had people that nominated for the college-wide student activity fee budget committee, the commencement faculty marshals, endowed chair selection committee, faculty association award selection committee, faculty compensation advisory committee, faculty data analysis, and the grievance committee. Again, thank you so much for nominating yourself. Everyone was emailed, and those work teams will be up and running very soon. All the names are there when you click on the nominations. We voted to endorse the ROC. The ROC is located here, your final draft, and the course peer review final draft. We endorsed both of them. We also said that we'd like periodic reviews on how things are going. For example, the ROC will be used in a destination track this summer. So every 2 months or so, we'll get an update from Wendy Du on how things are going, and we'll provide our feedback. And we'll also review the ROC at the end of the year, and it will be reviewed annually, giving our feedback on the ROC. It's the first time we've done something like this. We want to make sure we continually receive input on it and give our feedback. We also had to talk about an academic integrity tool. Last month we voted for VeriCite, but VeriCite was purchased by Turnitin, so we're unable to get VeriCite, so we went with our second choice, Unicheck, and the information's here. We had a wonderful presentation from Dr. Amy Bosley that discussed different policies that were changed that are coming up for review. We'll be looking at these in April, but you want to give us a heads up. So if you go ahead and look through these different policies, we'll be reviewing them at the Faculty Council. But if you have any feedback at all, please don't hesitate to contact me. Dr. Wendy Du gave us some information on the FIP and the HIP, kind of an update, Canvas, and we talked about the ROC. But she's also going to get a work team soon started to look at the classroom evaluation update. Basically, we have 2 forms for classroom observation, the face-to-face form and the online form, and we're wondering if there could be 1 form or if they could be improved. Basically, it's time to look at them again. We had a presentation from John Slott. The video presentation's here, and it's basically talking about that we have different emails and they're consolidating into one, but the presentation's here. And if you have any questions or comments, please contact Ken Rivera. We had a presentation from the Resource Development Office. Unfortunately, Christine wasn't able to come. But Kim was able to come and give a presentation for her. Their website's here. There's a great resource here. If you have an idea that you're thinking about getting funds for a grant, you can complete this ideal worksheet, even if you don't complete it all, or you can contact them. They'll be happy to help you. But maybe you have a great idea and you want to get some funding through a grant. That office is ready and willing to help. There's also some faculty opportunities here and a STEM vision and workforce pipeline. And then our last presentation was from Resham Sirsat, Director of Education for Sustainability. She talked about the definition of sustainability, opportunities for student and faculty. She showed us her website, which is full of great resources that you can click through and find out what's going on in different areas. She provided a gift for us to be a little more sustainable, so basically a to-go with a fork, knife, spoon, and a metal straw, and a produce bag, so we can be a little more sustainable ourselves. And she promoted the sustainability tracking destination this summer, and she's also asking for your feedback. So if you click here, please let her know how you're doing using sustainability, or would like to use sustainability in your courses, maybe how you're using the campus as a living lab. But she would love to hear from you and your feedback, so please click here or contact her directly. Again, please check out the policy updates that are here. We went around and asked how each campus is doing. Each campus seems to be doing really well right now, and maybe it's because the meeting was right before spring break, but things seem to be doing well. And our next faculty council meeting is on April 12th from 2 to 5 p.m. at Winter Park. Again, as always, if you have any questions on anything, please don't hesitate to contact me, and thank you so much.